Hello dear friends, today we discuss the logarithmic differentiation. Friends, this is a special type of differentiation. Previously we used the formula of log for the differentiation, in which the derivative of log x was 1 upon x. But here, as you can see from the example, this is a bit complex. So this is a new method which is called logarithmic differentiation. Now you can observe in this question there are two variables, x and y, and add to that, moreover, the variable x is in the index as well as in the base, so it is in the power also. Now how can you solve such type of questions? We use this method of logarithmic differentiation. So friends, the first step to solve such questions is you take logarithm on the both sides. That means when you take log of y raised to power x, and on the right side you take the log of x raised to power x. Now the powers are taken to the left, it becomes x log y and equals to x log x. Now these x cancel out, so you are left with log y equal to log x. After that, the second step is to differentiate both the sides. So friends, you need to remember these two steps. Step 1, take log on both sides, and step 2, differentiate both sides with respect to the variable. Now here the variable, independent variable, is x, so we need to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now as you remember, the derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx, and the derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and so we get dy upon dx equal to y upon x. So we take another example. Only thing you have to observe is that the variable x is in power, but here it is in the form of trigonometric function. See, in this question we have y equals to x raised to power sine x. Now to differentiate, again step 1, take log on both sides, so we get log y equals to log x raised to power sine x. Sorry, it should have been x here, not in the base. Now taking log on both sides, it becomes log y equal to log x raised to power sine x. Again sine x comes to the left side, so you get log y equals to sine x comes to left and log x. You got it? Now the second step is you differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now for differentiation, friends, on the right side we have two functions. The sine function means trigonometric function, and the log function. So we use the product rule of u and v product form. So when we differentiate both sides with respect to x, for log y we get the differential as 1 upon y into dy by dx. On the right side we take u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. You remember that rule? So using this we get sin x, that is u, into derivative of log x, that is v, plus log x into derivative of sin x. Now substitute the values, we get 1 upon y dy upon dx equals to sin x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x, plus log x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Again we need to find only dy by dx, so you take y to the right side, that becomes y into sin x upon x plus log x cos x. So this is dy upon dx equals to, now substitute the value of y, that was x raised to power sin x, into the remaining function, that was sin x upon x plus log cos x. See friends, this was the method. Now we take another example. In this question you observe the variables are x and y, but on the right side the variable y is in the power. Nothing to worry about. You know the two steps. Take log on both sides in the first step and differentiate both sides in the second step. Now coming back to the question, y raised to power x equal to x raised to power y. First step is take log on both sides. So you get log of y raised to power x equal to log of x raised to power y. Again I have shaded it yellow, the powers which are to come to the left side, and we get x log y equal to y log x. I repeat, x log y equal to y log x. The powers have come to the left side. Now the second step, you remember, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Again on the left side we have algebraic function x and the log function log y. On the right side we have algebraic function y and the log function log x. So using the product rule we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we get u into derivative of v, that is derivative of log y, plus v, that is log y, into derivative of u, that is dx upon dx. And on the right side we have y into derivative of log function plus log x into derivative of y. And we solve this question. So you get x into, now the derivative of log y, that derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx plus log y into dx upon dx is 1 equals to y into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of y is 1. Sorry, derivative of y is dy upon dx. So now in the further step we take the terms containing dy by dx on the left side. These two terms are x upon y and log x. So on the left we have x upon y minus log x in the brackets and dy by dx equals to y upon x minus log y. Again we get, solving it further, dy upon dx equals to, when we take the LCM we get x minus y log x on the left side and y minus x log y on the right side. So finally solving we get the answer as dy upon dx equals to y minus x log y upon x into y upon x minus y log x. So this is how you solve such type of questions. Now taking the questions to another level, for a further step we have taken an example in which on the right side there is no variable. So what to do and how to solve such type of questions, we are telling you very simple method. Using this you can easily solve such type of questions. Basic approach is the same, taking log on the both sides, but here we have addition on the left side and on the right side there is no variable. So such type of questions can be solved by simply taking these functions as u and v functions. So when you take u equals to x raised to power y and y equals to x raised to power x, you get u plus v equals to 1. U plus v equals to 1. Now when you differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get du upon dx plus dv upon dx equals to 1, because 1 is constant and its derivative is always 0. Now friends, we have denoted it in the form of a star equation so that we can come back to this equation to substitute the values of derivative of u and derivative of v. That means we need to find the derivative of u and v separately. Now taking these functions u and v separately, we will find their derivatives. First of all, to find the derivative of u, we take u equal to x raised to power y. Again you see, now the variable is in the power, so the same approach, taking log on both sides, we get log u equals to y log x. See, y came to left side, and in the second step we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of log u is 1 upon u into du by dx equal to, on the right side we again use the product rule, which is y into derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x, plus log x into derivative of y with respect to x. So du upon dx becomes, taking u to the right side in the multiplication, we get du upon dx equal to y upon x, u into y upon x plus log x into dy upon dx. Now put back the value of u, that was x raised to power y. So this is the derivative of u with respect to x, which we will substitute in the star equation. Moreover, we need to find derivative of v with respect to x. Now the v function, as you remember, was y raised to power x. Now again differentiating both sides, taking log on both sides, we get log v equals to x comes to the left, so it becomes x log y. Second step was, friends, to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when you differentiate, we get 1 upon v into dv upon dx equals to, on the right side we use product rule, u into derivative of v means derivative of log y, which is 1 upon y into dy upon dx, plus v into derivative of u, that is derivative of x with respect to x, which is 1. So finally we get dv upon dx equal to v multiplied by x upon y dy upon dx plus log y. Again put back the value of v, which was y raised to power x, and multiplied by x upon y into dy upon dx plus log y. Now friends, substitute these two values in the star equation, put back these values, and we get, that was, if you remember, du upon dx plus dv upon dx is 0. So substitute back and collect those values which have dy upon dx as common, which are x raised to power y log x and y raised to power x into x over y. And on the right side we get minus y raised to power x log y plus x raised to power y into y upon x. Now write it as x raised to power y log x plus y raised to power, in the denominator is y, so it becomes y raised to power x minus 1 into x. Again on the right side, this value x raised to power y upon y x, this becomes x raised to power y minus 1. So finally friends, we get dy upon dx equals to minus, in the brackets, y raised to power x log y plus x raised to power y minus 1 into y divided by x raised to power y log x plus y raised to power x minus 1 into x. So that's how you solve such type of questions in which the variables are in the powers and simple basic formula cannot be applied. Then you apply the logarithmic derivative. And here in this technique we need two steps to remember. The first step, take log on the both sides, and the second step, differentiate both sides so that you get the final answer. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you understand all the concepts. For any queries, you can always ask me. Please like, subscribe and share my video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.